Hello friends, welcome to my new channel, Everything About Economics. First of all, wish you happy Diwali. On this platform, I will share with you regarding the economies and some microeconomical factors which are really impact on the markets. It is about the economy. So here you know very well that this season is a festive season and we celebrate Diwali. And that is why I chose a topic which is related to this festive season is that Indian consumers' behavior in this festive season amid coronavirus. How the consumer, that is the people, they behave, they react, response to the market. So I figure out some factors which directly and indirectly impact Indian market, consequently the Indian economy. So let's start. I start this topic with the coronavirus. You know very well the coronavirus is prevalent everywhere. Everyone is suffer from this coronavirus, but we have hopes. So in this pandemic, in this amid the coronavirus, in this festive season, we know very well that the anxiety, people have anxiety over the coronavirus, but how much the anxiety people have over the coronavirus? Total 17% people, they have anxiety over the coronavirus in the November, whereas 31% anxiety was in the about the coronavirus in the July. You can see the drastic change, drastic difference between two numbers, 17% in November and the 31% in July. The coronavirus is prevalent since 3 or 4 quarters and many more in future too, at least 2.5 quarters. So why the coronavirus anxiety over the coronavirus, it mitigates and undermines day by day? There is a one sure short reason is that people are accustomed with this coronavirus situation. What is meaning of this? Accustomed means they are used to with this coronavirus situation, this environment. They are compatible and endure with this coronavirus, and that is why the anxiety of the people over the coronavirus, it mitigates and undermine day by day. This is the first factor which indirectly impact on the Indian market. If there is a lesser the anxiety, the economy surely boost very soon. This is the first factor which related to the psyche of the people, how they react to the coronavirus in this festive season. Only the 17%, this is a very positive sign that people have lesser and lesser anxiety. And there is another reason why they have the lesser anxiety over the coronavirus, because they are very much aware of the coronavirus and they know how to take the precautions in this pandemic period. There is a second one reason which impact on the Indian market, which is shelling out on the convenience. 73% people, they shell out money on the convenience. What does it means? It means that there is a no fear of job losses. If the people they are ready to shell out the money on the convenience, so it directly means that there has some guarantee that they can secure the job. Directly it means that there is a no fear of job losses, where in the past, if you see the first and second quarter, there were the anxiety over the job losses, there were the fear over the job losses, but right now people secure the jobs, at least for their wherewithal, and that is why they shell out the money on the convenience. 73% people, it is a very positive signs regarding the market. because market boost, when the market boost, when the consumption demand creates, if the demand creates, then the market boosts, then the supply will create, no doubt. So firstly demand, it always be upward, it always be two foot more than the supply always be a lag behind the demand. This is the second reason which impact on Indian economy, rather I would say it is in the Indian market positively. We know very well that this is a digital era, digital arena. We live in the digital arena, and we have so many e-commerce platform where we buy and sell, that is we do the commerce on the digital platform. But what it really impact the Indian economy? Yes, it impacts most the Indian economy. What is the appetites of the people towards the digital media, rather I would say the e-commerce and visiting the stores? You get surprised that people, their appetites are towards visiting the stores amid this coronavirus. 58% people, they like to visit the store and purchase the product or the service. It is also a very good sign that people, they go to the store and purchase the product, and it really reinforces the retail sectors, no doubt. But here I will say another thing which is regarding to this visiting store is that, but people, the consumers, they prefer, whether they prefer indigenous goods or the foreign goods or the foreign brands. So here the 73% people, they refer and they prefer indigenous goods and the brands, local items over the foreign brands and the items. It is another positive sign. Why it is a positive sign to the Indian market? Because we adopt this attitude, we ingrain this attitude, the self-reliancy. It is not a program, it is not an event, it is not a scheme, it is an attitude, and we have ingrained and assimilated this attitude in very well manner. Very well manner. So the retail sector really reinforce and boost in this festive season in a very positive direction. Right now, yet so far I completed the first factor which really indirectly impact the Indian economy or the market, that is the anxiety over the coronavirus. Then the compliance, then the convenience, sharing out the convenience, which indicates the consumption power, that is a purchasing power parity of the consumers in India, which is 73% people, and which indirectly says that no fear of job losses. Then visiting store, retail sector, how the retail sector right now reinforced and resilient in this devastating period. Now I shift my view to the another sector which is also be most important and hits a lot, that is hotel industry. 42% people, they they are happy to reopen the hotels, and 37% people, they like to eat the food in the hotel. This is also a very good sign that 37% people, they like to eat in the hotel, and really the economy is move on, every sector, every industry is move on. The next factor which is included in the service sector, previously we saw the hotel industry. Right now we are seeing about the a very weightage industry in the service sector. It is in person service providers like doctors, advocates, saloon, and other which render their service in person. this industry boomed by 52%. That is, the people they have accepted to take the service, render or take the service in person. 52%. It is again a very good sign to the Indian economy. And the last but the most hit by the coronavirus, the industry is traveling industry. I include in the traveling industry the public transportation as well as the good transportations too. So in this traveling industry, 42% people they feel safe when traveling. This is another very good news to us that really we are move on, at least according to the regarding with respect to the market. And here I concluded each and every point, since the anxiety of the people, the psyche of the people, then the various factors like the shelling out the on the convenience, how many people, the purchasing power parity, the 73% people, they shell out the money in this festive season. Then the visiting store, 58% people they like to visit the store rather than to take the service of the e-commerce platforms. Then the service sector, hotel industry, and then the in-personal service provider, which has more weightage in the service sector. Then we saw the travel industry. In the travel industry, 42% people they feel very safe when traveling. All in all, if you see every every percentage, if you see, it gives you ultra positive sign, ultra positive sign. And I think so this is a very good omen, and as a custom we have to follow this omen, but with the precautions, wearing the mask, use the sanitizer whenever it is necessary, and social distancing. I know very well that social distancing not possible to everywhere, at least in India, but we have to try to distance socially. At the end, I remember one quote by the Keynes, who was a British economist. He rightly propounded that the markets are move on by animal spirit, not by the reason. Here, the reason is coronavirus, and the animal spirit is we are the animal spirit. We have the animal spirit, and that is why if you see all these factors, all these signs, which were the negative in the previous quarters, but right now in this for third and fourth quarter, you see it turns into the positive sign, ultra positive sign, and it really enforce, boost our Indian economy. Really, this quote matters in this coronavirus situation. My dear friends, how was the video? Please tell me in the comment box. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.